Alright guys, I got a package from CLK Supplies today. I ordered some keys. I'm just gonna open it real quick. We'll see what we got inside. Just to show you guys real quick, this is the CRKT spew. Let's see if I can get that to focus. CRKT spew. This is my favorite everyday carry knife. I never leave the house without that. In fact, I went and bought a second one just to make sure I had it. So I got some, what are these ones? These are M1 blanks. So I should have a couple of those. Go ahead and get rid of this. Oh no, actually, that one has 50 in there. There we go. Oh, one fell out of the box. I got, oh, you guys aren't even focused. There we go. Got some SC1 blanks, 50 of them. Got 40 Yale blanks. 40 WR5 blanks. And let's see what's in this bag. Oh, okay, so I got the quick set blade for the A1 quick pull. And my plan is to see if I can just use this with my slide hammer to avoid damaging the whole lock. Got 40 SC4 blanks. $50 KW1 blanks. And a big can of Houdini. Alright, so let me go ahead and pause you guys for a second. Alright, so another thing you guys didn't see was in the SC4 keys, I also got space and depth keys for the SC4. So we're going to go ahead and just dump these ones right in here. Oh, we don't want that. I might go ahead and take some of these out to my truck. That'll fit better. So we'll take these ones out to my truck in that kit. Alright, what next? Got the Wiser keys. I'll just go back here. These are the WR5 blanks, I believe. Yeah. That one don't want to come out of the box. There we go. And we got Yale 1 keys. These ones go here. Some of these will have to go out my truck as well. So we'll do that, and the rest of those will go out to the truck. We got KW1 keys. Those I already threw in there. I forgot to turn the camera on. So, but these ones will go out to my truck. What else do we got? We got the SC1 keys. I was running out while you guys are buying bump keys, and I only have 2 of the SC1s left. I only have 2 of the M1s left, and I only had 2 of the KW1s left, so this order come in right in time. Now there is a color change on the SC1 keys. The ones I was sending out before were silver. These ones are just the gold brass color like the rest of them. If that's something you guys care about, let me know. We'll we'll get that figured out. And I got my M1 keys. And after I get all these put in here, I'll give you a better view of everything. They keep wanting to go under the lip in the box and then not come out. Oh, I ripped that one out. I'm dropping them out the bottom of the box there. There we go. I think that's all of them. Oh, yep. That's everything. It's going in here. So. Oh, I got these. Those will have to go, but let me show you this first. There you go. There's all the keys. There will be more keys added eventually, but this is what I keep on my workbench. The rest of them, the rest of them are pretty much in my truck. I do have transponder keys underneath down here. Or like the remotes. The remotes and your keyless remotes. And then those will go there. So my plan here is, if you notice, I bought certain keys this time. I made sure I got the Yale keys, the SC4, and the Weiser. And I made sure those are the blanks that I bought as well, because I'm going to make another set of bump keys for you guys and start selling them for you. So those will be up probably tonight or tomorrow. So look out for those. I'll make a video on them once I make them. But that's all I have for you today. So have a good day.